Swatch Recipe Book. Pretty colors so far. I like them both. Hi everybody. As you can see from my title, we have a lot to cover on all these fruity gels. I tried for the first time to dive into my Nekogel Juicy Palette Collection, and this is what we're going to be going through today, all of these gels. We're also going to put them on this Swatch Recipe Book that came with this collection. And it's so cool how they have ideas that you can combine the syrup gels together and create these awesome looks of fruit, kind of like these nails, which, truth be known, I didn't even follow a recipe. So maybe that shows how easy it is to make these work and create something really neat, because all I did was I just pulled a few colors out that I thought would go good together, and look at them. And they do look a lot like what's on that card there. So this might even be what we end up working on later on in the video. I'm going to get the swatches set up and we'll get started. This is our first one. It's NS01. Very light color for first coat. They go on very smooth. Very pretty. And look at this buttery yellow. That is so beautiful. This is NS02. And we're going to go in order. So now you know that was 1. This is 2. So they're just going to keep going in order. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I did adjust the camera slightly because I felt like I really want to make sure that you see these colors accurately. And on my camera right now, they're accurate. Hopefully it turns out that way on the YouTube. Trying to get the lighting just right and give you excellent video quality. So hopefully I'm getting there. I should be getting a microphone soon. That will really be good. I think the mic on this phone's doing okay, but I would like to get a professional microphone. Very delicate. I love it. And you can see how smooth they are. I'll speed it up so we can move to second coats. These are all the colors so far in 1 coat. We have 2 more. These are NV 1 and 2. And you can see the little fibers in there? These are just so wonderful to work with. They really do self-level so nice. Very high quality gel polishes. And this one's a pinky color with the fibers in it. They're so beautiful. Okay, let me cure these. There's a nice close-up. Those are so pretty. And they're gonna really make a really nice effect. I set up my macro lens so that you can really get a good look at these as I swatch out the second coats. Look at that. It's like glass. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's start filling this up. Fun. So we're gonna do the peach. I love this. So to make that peach, we would just do all these colors together. Very beautiful. 'This has been so fun to put together. I loved doing this. It's going to be super helpful to know what all the colors are going to look like. And let's finish this card off by doing the apple. And I think what we'll do is we'll pull these colors out and we will try and do a little test on some swatches. So NS15, NS4, NS3, NS2, and NS5. There we go. Okay, let's pull these colors out and try it. I have some nails set up here so we can try it out. Okay, so what we need is NS15, NS4, NS3, NS2, and NS5. So there are all the colors we need. Well, here's the nail we're going to work on. So what I think we should do is put the lighter colors on first, just to get started. Just kind of put them on splotchy. I'll grab some of that green. I tried to adjust the lighting a little bit because I felt like it just wasn't showing as well as I wanted. Hopefully that looks better. So I wanted to do 2 nails. Here's the other one. I want to see what they look like with one with matte top coat and one with glossy top coat. I want to see what the difference looks like. So I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm just putting the green and the yellow on, and I will give those a cure. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some of the other colors, the pinks and the reds. They don't need a lot of the red because it's very bright, as you can see. And you can do anything you want. That's one of the neat things about nature, is there's so many different varieties of things that you can't go wrong, really. God was very creative and gave us lots of variety. I think I'm going to do the other one too, and then I'm going to cure that and see if I can add some of the lighter colors on top. So we're getting closer. I just want to add a little touch of brighter color to some of it. I'm going to use an ombre brush, kind of fleck it on, different spots like that. Looks pretty apple-y to me. Here's the other one of that darker red. Yeah, I like that. This gel polish is so fun. What you think? I like them. Now I'm going to cure them, and then I'm going to put a matte on one and clear top coat on the other. Okay, so I'm just going to put clear on this one and matte on this one. And I'm just going to use the Madam Glam. Okay, let's give this a cure. So here it's the same recipe and a little different look with the matte and the clear top coat. I like them both, really. All depends on what you're looking for. And, you know, I kind of was going for a similar look with these nails, but they're a little different too. But I really love how these come out, all these different recipes. What I would like to do in part 2 is do another couple of fruits. If you have a particular fruit that you would really love to try, let me know in the comments. And we'll be looking at the complementary set to the Juicy palette, which is the Juicy Fruit Collection. These are all cat eyes. And I will show you more of this in the next part to this series and show you all of these beautiful colors. They go really beautifully with the Juicy palette. And what I'd love to try is when we do some of these fruits, I want to try putting some of these cat eyes on them and see what they look like. I think that would be really fun to try. For part 3, just to give you a little teaser, thought it would be fun to do a comparison. I'll do all the swatching and swatch card for this set too. So we still have a lot to go through, and I am loving this series. Looking forward to seeing you for part 2, and I hope you have a great week, and I will catch up with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.